Hello everyone, my name is Bhuvan Agarwal and I hope you all are safe and healthy and you are really enjoying this predicting the output of the code snippets given in C language series. So today we are moving on to our next question in this series, which is very important you to understand. Just stay tuned and let's get started. So our next question in this series is this. So I would suggest everybody of you to kindly pause this video and just try to solve it yourself. Then I will tell you the solution to it, okay? Okay, so I hope you all tried and probably got some answers. So let us check what is the solution to it. So as we can see here, we are declaring a variable n with a value of 4 and then we are passing that n inside the switch. But as we can see here, a very strange thing. A switch case construct always has a case and a default block, right? But in this switch, there is no cases itself. There is no case. So there is nothing to match with this n, right? So I know what many of you must have got, that is a compilation error, because we don't have any cases, not even case 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., not even default case, right? But from the previous video, we have seen that default case is optional, right? So what is here? Default is also not there. That is okay, but cases is also not there. So it might result in a compilation error, right? So those of you who have got compilation error as your answer, then I must tell you that you are absolutely wrong. And why is it so? Let me give you a very important golden statement now. So the golden statement here is both the cases and the default blocks are optional. Yeah, you heard it correct. Default block is optional, that is okay, but now I'm telling you that cases are also optional. So there won't be any comparison error because the construct is absolutely right. It is something like this. See, whenever you are passing something to the switch, your work is done. Now switch has to compare it with the cases. But if there is no case itself, then there is nothing to worry about because you did your job. Now switch is not able to find the cases, so it will just give a empty output screen, right? So there is nothing like compilation error. So both the cases and the default blocks are optional, so there is no error. So if there is no cases or default blocks present, then it will return an empty output screen. So but no error will be raised. So this is absolutely right. So these types of question usually come to confuse you. Okay, so you don't get confused because now you have your golden statement. Just remember this and you will solve this question very easily. Okay, so our answer will be empty output screen with successful compilation and execution. So I hope you are getting the golden statements. If you face any doubt, then I please suggest you to kindly comment down below, or you can message me over LinkedIn, or you can mail me even. But just if you have any doubt, just clear it out, okay? Because this predicting the output in the code snippets is very important and a very intrinsic part of any interview, because every interview will have some part of the pseudocode in C, in Java. We will cover Java also in later means in late cases. So but now we are focusing only on C programming, so just understand the golden statements here and you will do it easily. That's it. Thank you.